Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to log out of your Line app on your iOS. So without any further ado, let's get started. It's a little bit difficult to log out of your Line application on your iPhone since it doesn't have the option in your in-app. But I'll teach you how to do it. So open your Line account, make sure it's installed and updated properly. After you open, as you can see on the settings in the top right, there is no official logout button over here. So what you need to do is go back again and click on your home setting button on your iPhone setting. Then once you open it, then you can go down and click on general. Then click on iPhone storage. This may take a little bit of time, but you need to scroll all the way to Line app. And after your lineup is selected, then what you need to do is offload your app, which allows you to log out of your app, but does not delete all the data, but stores it in your iPhone. So click on the line and offload app. This will always delete your application. So if you want to reinstall it, then please reinstall your app so it'll automatically log out. Or if you also want to delete it, then delete it, but your data stays as it is if you offload your application. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.